Oh, I hate you guys. Oh. Oh gosh, how do you describe this without cursing? No, it's like, it's... Oh, diapery? I don't know. Like a number 3 in a diaper? Yeah, if you ask anyone who's changed a diaper, there is such thing as a number 3. Okay. Whew. I don't know. It's... Oh, what kind of... Kenny is behind me gagging. Breathe through your mouth, Kenny. Breathe through your mouth. Okay. Okay. Oh. 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 There's some yogurt, vanilla yogurt. And some leftover-y... What the heck is that? It looks like a hot dish. Oh. There's a lot of leftovers in here. I don't know. I'm killing everyone on this side of the building right now. Okay, there looks like there's some stir fry. Yeah, are these fish sticks?